How do I get data out of PASCO Capstone for use in other applications?
Sometimes we just want the data. So we can save a Capstone file for everything, or we could choose just to copy, paste data, or export data outside of Capstone for analysis in a data package like Excel, Google Sheets, or other data analysis packages. Now, if I have all the data I want in a table, I can select a cell in the table, press Control or Command A, and then go to the Edit menu and copy. And I happen to have Excel open here, so I could go and hit Edit Paste or Control V, and there's that data from the table ready to be analyzed in a different data analysis package. Now, sometimes you're not showing data in a table in Capstone, but you still want to get it out. In that case, you can go to the File menu and choose Export Data, and this dialog lets you control which data among the many different sets of data, whether it's sensor data or typed in user enter data, what you'd like to export in the form of either a comma-separated value file or a tab delimited file. Both of these are commonly used for data transfer across many different apps. I'm going to save it to the default comma-separated value and choose to export file. And this will be my Capstone data for the impulse momentum. And notice it's going to save as a CSV file. On my computer, this happens to be associated with Excel. So I'll bring that back on screen. Here's that exported data file. And if I double click it to open it in Excel, again, this will open in pretty much any data package. It's going to open up in Excel, and I will see that it is just all the data that I requested. So none of the displays, none of the analyses unless I typed it in. But if you just want data from sensors or from Capstone in another format that can be transferred across applications, choose to export it as either a tab delimited file or a comma-separated value file.